little bit of footwork today. So this is what you want. You want to take your band and you want to twist it and fold it in half so your band is smaller, like so. And then you're going to take that and wrap it around your big toes, like so. And then you're going to widen your feet enough that the band is basically unbunioning your toes. And you should be able to, in air quotes, kind of press down through your big toe and spread your littles. So having the band there might make it easier to broaden your toes and your forefoot. Just see if that is true for you. And then also I want you to think about, and it's subtle, externally rotating your hips a little bit and noticing if your arches lift. So just see if you can feel a little external rotation and a little lift in your arch. Now, pick up just your big toes and put them down. So banded big toe lifts. Pick them up, put them down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Put those big toes down. Again, keep spreading your littles. Keep thinking about a little bit of external rotation in the hip and your arch is lifting. While we're here, you're going to spread out your fingers. Fold your fingers into the golf club grip. Stretch your arms out shoulder height. Pinch your shoulder blades together. So our feet are still, like we've still got our brain in our feet a little bit while we're working our arm circles. 40 forward circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 30, 40. Pause. Turn your palms to face up. Re-straighten your elbows. Now go backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 30, 40. Let those arms relax. Give your hands a shake. Double check your feet. So big toes are pressing down, little toes are spreading. I have a little bit of external rotation in my hip. So my arches are lifting. And then I am picking up my big toes and putting them down. Picking them up, putting them down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Put them back down. Interlace your hands in front of your heart. Turn your palms to face away. Straighten those elbows. Face is going to follow your hands. You're going to let your ribs go. You're going to let your shoulders lift. You're going to drop your head back. Notice, again, like in these last two exercises, the shoulder rolls and the overhead extension, exercises we do all the time, noticing if adding the foot, like the awareness of your big toe, changes how your shoulders feel. It might not. You have another 15 seconds here. Just breathing. Bring those arms back forward. Let them relax. Last set of big toe, banded big toe lifts. You pick up, you lower down. Up, down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.